Welcome back to Us in the Heart. The topic where we carry come as usual. Don't they generate plenty smoke inside studio, and I sure say plenty people go want chook mouth for inside this discussion. We go like break everything down finish so that we'll get plenty time to collect your phone call, hear what you get to talk about this matter, when get to do with waiting former president talk about the EFCC. He come and talk am ha, say the EFCC na toothless bulldog. Our ogbonge visitor and plenty other Nigerians don't look and say no. That is a fallacious statement. In fact, that is secundum quid. Based on say, you know, if you just generalize, say the EFCC na toothless bulldog with wetin you do during your own time as Oga President. Like our Ogbonge visitor don't talk. If we check 2 years, if we check 9 months, if we see the way when the EFCC they do, plenty people don't even come and they tell the EFCC say, I beg. The way when they go, make una even take am easy because it be like say, if we continue like this, we're going to need to build plenty new prisons.
God bless you. Because not true. You know, the point is what we're saying in this country now. EFCC, they do your job, get respect for the rule of law, get respect for the liberty that the Constitution gives every Nigerian. And because even those when they against our party, they talk say, as Oga Presido and the EFCC, they fight corruption. So it's good for our country.
True.
You know, I have seen, as me and you they talk now, you hear about the woman, the pensioner, when contribute her money. Yeah, say
in the war against
they
corruption.
support the war against corruption.
True.
Chukwudi, the way to move this country forward, now first of all, make we accept, say we must kill corruption.
True.
Because no matter how much economic policies you bring out, if you not fight corruption, the same economic policy, it go create money for Nigeria. Few individuals go steal am. You know, so we go enter back to square one, or even worse than square one. The time don't come, Chukwudi, to clean house, you go get dust. To clean house, to repair house when people spoil, they more difficult than to stay inside that house. When this government come, people expect this government to just enter inside that house, begin run. But they get to clean this house. And now the watching they happen today. I think say at this point, Oga Presido, former Presido, when don't reach 79 years old, is supposed they advise government, you know, they advise government instead of to pass scorecard. Because if you ask every Nigerian when they house, make they assess the last regime, assess your own regime. Because every time when you hear the fight against corruption, Nigerians, they call for phone. You go hear them talk, say, make them look Alibote, make them look Siemens,
Make them look power.
make them look power. Because under Obasanjo, between these establishments when I talk so, over $56 billion. On energy alone, $16.2 billion. Halliburton scam, 30-something billion. Siemens, 20-something. So much money come out for this country.
Billion dollars.
And for Obasanjo to get up now, they tell us, say under in time, then fight corruption.
They back one way and then they bite.
I don't know where this kind of story from come. But I believe, say, as we love our Oga former Presido, those when they around them to win love them, go to tell them, say, Baba, it don't reach time to let government work.
Exactly.
But
Because now so we dey now, Nigeria must move forward, and those when want claim credit, say now them first build Nigeria, must leave us because the Nigeria when we see today, they not build them all. I've told people repeatedly that when we dey talk heroes first, now because people help us get independence, I not see anything when make anybody my hero. Because for I'll be 45 on Saturday, 12th of March, almost 45 years of my life. The story when we hear now, small. Tranquilizing drug of gradualism. It go better, it go better, it go better. So why Oga former President Obasanjo, they tell me, say, they fight corruption. If they fight corruption, stealing go day like this. If they fight corruption, Dasuki Gate go exist. If they fight corruption, maybe you will get foundation upon which to make the future better. How can you say you fought corruption and the years after you, Nigeria dabaru? Because we're talking about...
The foundation no strong.
No foundation at all.
At all.
Now we try to see whether God will help all of us build fundamental foundation so that tomorrow Nigerian children would say to steal no good, to do corruption no good, to do anything when they bad for government no good. Now we begin talk about those values. Never before have we had this commitment, this resolve. Let me use a go on statement. He said, I see a passion to kill corruption in this regime.
A passion.
We have not seen it before. You know, people go talk, say, we go fight corruption, we go fight corruption.
Lip
but
service.
steps are being taken to fight corruption. Big people, they go down. Big people, they wait for bail for inside prison. Big people, they return money. Come on. I think that this country is going to get better if we support effort of government to do
Yes, supporting the effort of government. Prof, make we bring and come this angle. Okay, we don't see, just as we talk, we don't see some steps, major steps, say this present government don't take in trying to fight corruption. We don't see indictment. We don't say, okay, they don't capture some people and they don't also free some people. Okay, make also look
at... They
don't
free them or they're on bail.
On bail.
Matters still they court.
Bail, okay, make, we never feel decide the fate of the bail. Make it not be the same kind of bail. Okay. You know. Then we'll come look at this way. Matters being in court now, make also bring them down. We go see they talk about emphasize on the judiciary.
You don't see where they arrest senior advocate of Nigeria before.
Make it also one of the major stumbling blocks where we get.
You don't see where they arrest. No, make I ask you. They arrest them. All the lawyers go court. When Nigerian people begin shout, the lawyers not the full court again. They disappear. They disappear because the values don't change. You don't see where they arrest sitting Senate president, put them for dock, and a member of the party when they power. Come on, I think that the time has come for us to wake up and look at these issues the way they are.
But in the spirit of trying to wake up,
we want convictions. The truth is that we want deeper and stronger fight against corruption. But make I ask you, Nkubi,
but Prof, now chipping this, everybody's tone, everybody's voice.
Today, if they ask you for your soul between Obasanjo and 9 months of Buhari, which one be like, say, they fight corruption?
Make I keep that this thing to myself.
See now.
Make I keep it to myself. But what I see they talk, we saying. See, no matter, we are all humans.
Yes.
And everybody, they indicted or we get one corruption case against them. Go only they find way to make sure, say, that case, no do it.
Corruption, they fight back now.
So that is why I was still need to bring back the issue. EFCC get its strength reach one level. And once EFCC do their own, and that set of people go take them off from there. So that set of people will be like the judiciary. Actually emphasize on the judiciary. How we also address that one, because we also need to address that one for us to be able to say we go get a credible fight against this corruption matter.
Oga Presido don't address them. Nigerians don't address them. That again is one of the things when I want to make we point out. We never see before when Oga sitting president go come out and say, part of my problem now the judiciary. He not they fear anybody. He said because we must tell the truth and kill this corruption. He said make the judiciary come support them. Kill this corruption. This same government don't talk to lawyers, my people. It's a part of the problem when they get lawyers. Lawyers, they defend, they collect money from people who steal with money. They defend them. They subvert the whole process to get them out. This government, they interested in all areas of killing this corruption. Because, see, if God dash us $2 trillion today, if you not fight corruption, because I want Nigerians to understand it. If today God open heaven, money begin fall. Because they say fix economy, fix economy, fix economy. The same few individuals will steal all the money. Me and you go broke again. So the first thing we must do is to fight corruption. If we kill corruption, I remember, so I don't tell you how Lee Kuan Yew take do for Singapore once. You know, when they ask him, say, as you don't come to Singapore now, come become Oga Patapata, what do you want to do for Singapore? He said, 3 things you want to do. The answer say what will be the 3 things. He's saying go fight corruption.
Number 1.
He go fight corruption.
Number 2.
He go fight corruption.
Back
they say now one thing you don't talk. He say no, he go fight corruption with his body. He go fight corruption with his soul. He go fight corruption with his spirit. They come answer and say, so he said when I fight corruption, people not going to steal money again. And the money when they don't steal, we'll go get them back. We'll go use them build schools, build hospital, build roads, repair our economy. Not be Singapore from poor country don't become first world.
Number 1.
What thing we need for this country not to fight corruption first. I disagree with anybody when they talk about economy. If you fight corruption, people go do their work seriously. They go build economy. If you fight corruption, people go commit their effort to making Nigeria better. It go build their economy. If you fight corruption, you go recover money when they don't steal, put them into education, put them into technology, it go build our economy. The first thing we get to do for this country now to kill corruption.
Prof, make we come break this matter down like this, because if we check news, we see information, they go talk, say, this person, even though if the position where this person dey, he no taking money buy donuts, or Egro for 35 years when in this particular position, save all the money. If we join everything together, you know, go reach to buy some of the property when we don't see, and some of the cash when we say they talk to some people, they hide inside soccer away and different places. Now, it be like say the thing, they very, very easy for people when they some kind position to just dip their hand inside money when belong to all of us, take them. If we talk about fighting corruption, say people when don't chop money, we won't make sure say we collect everything back or send them go jail. What be those things when we say we suppose they do for these high places so that person don't go look say they don't do and reach one place make I see the thief my money they go. Oga President don't bring in the TSA and so many other places when we say normally money they take the leak from before. But what be those other things when we say we go solidify, because the fight against corruption not be just to carry people go court. Now to make them difficult for people when they position of power because of the office when they chop money anyhow.
No, I agree totally with you. The first thing we need, not even Superman, a strong institution. You know, we need to. I've told people that even now and then when I go somewhere, then go tell me say police corrupt. I not agree. You know, one of the strongest institutions for this country when I sympathize with now police. Go police barrack.
Prof, before you drop that gist about police people, make we take this call. Oga Emmanuel, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Emmanuel, good morning and welcome to Ask the Heart.
Good morning.
Good morning, Emmanuel.
Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
Good day, yeah, you ride on.
Oga Emmanuel, thank you very much for this your contribution. The long and short of what you talk, we say our Ogbonge visitor, you enjoy the way we need to talk, and the way we say our Oga President don't vow say he won't fight corruption. If everybody for Nigeria get that one mind, then we say corruption will die. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from the diaspora. Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. Good morning and welcome to Ask the Heart.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Prof, you do well.
Good morning, my brother.
You speak like a true Nigerian, you know. I'm so much proud of the way you address the matter. Ukubi, almost they are ashamed of you. But
now question they need to answer.
I say I almost they ashamed of you, but the question you they ask. So that's what I talk. I don't speak big grammar. I what I talk. So don't twist my word. What it did I say corruption they kill Nigeria. We know who talk say corruption is not a crime. We all Nigeria hear that one. But still corruption na a big crime. For other countries and other places in the world, they sentence people for 100 years for life imprisonment, aliboting, and not the rest that would know how many people go jail. For other places there, but for Nigeria, we don't know where go jail. But when they talk, EFCC be like bulldog. EFCC be like lion. You understand me now? Because lion, they
do
the meat where they kill. Bulldog, they play with them. Lion, they eat that direct. So EFCC talk to lion. If tiger and lion together, we talk to them.
At the same time,
Nigeria for better. The Dubai, where people they go visit, so now they say all your money they take visa.
True.
When people they go, Nigeria people they go for marriage and all that. They go ski and they go holiday. Now all your money they take repair the place. So Nigeria, all your money take fix Nigeria. And Nigeria got that natural resources to take visa too.
True.
So we need the benefit of Nigeria, not be the doubt of Nigeria. So that's my contribution for today. Thank you.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for that your contribution.
We get Oga Chuks in the callers from Wari. Oga Chuks, thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to Ask the Heart.
Thank you, Chokodi and Nkubia and the Prof.
Good morning, Chuks.
Good morning, brother.
Good morning, my brother. Nkubia, that's your cap. If you say go come out,
why you talk so?
They talk like this. Nobody OBJ know well.
No, Oga Chuks. See, with this platform, a platform for people to talk, but then make people know what they talk. You know, if you come out here, call they talk, so OBJ know well. I beg.
I don't say that so it be, but make we tell the truth.
But not that kind of truth. No, that way you take out.
For this worry, if you see the agreement where they pass on this thing, because that's what we are supposed to know in a material, when we say anything when you talk, people they listen to that. So you're not supposed to talk, say, as of now, say, EFCC
toothless bulldog.
See the information where Chris they give us, which everybody down will say, that they happen for this country. But we are supposed to support the way they happen today. I just think me. Because they say, Baba don't come today, Buhari don't come today, oh boy, we have already that session they talk. All these movement, they will not leave this country. They sell oil for almost about 5 years. Not less than $80. We don't do accounts. So now what they say that they hold the evil men. They put this country into this mess.
Ogachuk, thank you very much for your contribution. If I say the talk, don't they pay you well. But like we don't talk, it is very, very important. We know say we express ourselves. And you talk and do anything, be you for body. But to go just talk, say, the former president, he know well. We no accept that one. We know say you they try drive home your point. And like you talk say our former president, our person when we say anything when he talk, people they take him very, very serious. So it go good making they know the way when we say go they drop this talk. Even if we even get advice to give our president, he's supposed to call him in private, tell him say, see kind thing what you go do to make him they strong well. Not be just to just talk say everything what they do now to rid this country of corruption. Say no they were. We appreciate your point. Oga Prof.
I feel still in this one.
Okay, still
as me and you they talk now, for inside my mind, it be like saying that God even make Oga OBJ they talk within they talk. Because it be like say God won't make Oga Presido Buhari look strongly into Halliburton, look strongly into power scam, look strongly into cement. So it be like say God don't decide to make him talk. Because if we want to fight corruption the way me I want them, if we want to fight corruption the way every Nigerian people want them, then what make we look strongly into that Halliburton, look strongly into that cement, look strongly into power. And then when we do that, if it be say Nigerians go begin ask, Oga OBJ, that your big library money, 7.9 billion.
Nadia, they even
when
do
you raise 7.9 billion, how you take get the money? Your Bells University, how you take get that money? Otta Farm, how you take get the money? Because the time don't reach for us to even begin ask every question.
Very true.
As you don't come out say EFCC not the fight, make EFCC call them, make them ask them this question. Because the way the movie
Adegbola dey on top of the telephone in the call us from Ikoyi. Adegbola, good morning and welcome to As It Hurts.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for the opportunity given to me.
Okay, we hear you.
You see, corruption in Nigeria is a big virus. If you to share from individual, I would like to even ask the man, your guest. There's a time he was representing one man, said that he has a claim with one paint, something that they use in painting underwater something. He's the one that is going around, doing people to come and pay, to come and register. Up till now, nothing come out of it. That's one aspect of corruption. Another corruption is the one that you are all facing. Buhari is doing very well, but what he's doing that is not good is that when we say now mostly our opposition, now he they arrest. No, frankly speaking, if you have arrested this man, the ex-governor of Lagos State, he's supposed not to put him for his cabinet because he was indicted. But go ahead, he appointed him. Likewise others. So from that, my viewpoint, it cannot be said that he's fighting corruption. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Adegbola.
Thank you very much for the points where you don't raise. We go take this call. Somebody they call us from Lokoja. Before you go clear them. Jude, they call us all the way from Lokoja. Okay, Jude, good morning and welcome back to As It Hurts. You don't go, Prof. Time for you to just clear the air on that one.
Point number one, they like when Nigerians, if you want to talk something, talk them out. He's talking about Comanklem. Let me help him so that he will know who he's talking to. He was talking about Comanklem. I was a legal advisor to the owner of Comanklem. The truth is that he discovered a certain patent. The truth is that he had coordinators. I was a legal advisor. And at no point did I canvass money from anybody. That's point number one. And then point number two, when I discovered that certain things were wrong, I put them under check, and I resigned. The police is handling that matter at different levels.
True.
They have never called me.
True.
The truth is that fundamentally, I stand for what is right, and I will always defend it with my life. When people talk about Fashola and co. when they this government, I ask them, you have information against them, take it to the EFCC.
The relevant agencies.
Let the investigations be done. No,
Jude, Jude, don't call us back. We could not lose them. Okay. Jude, welcome back. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Jude. They hear you.
Okay. Me, I want to talk about the nominee.
You want to talk about waiting?
I want to talk about the nominee for the way you talk for national anthem.
Okay, will they hear you?
Okay. Oga, please, thank you to come for the show this morning.
God bless you.
One thing I want to talk is we not really recall the nominee back from the national assembly. Because
well, Oga Jude, it will be like say the direction when you carry the talk different from what they talk about.
But let me tell him quickly. The law, if you're from his constituency, the law provides a particular process for a recall. It is part of the Constitution. You can look at the Constitution and the Electoral Act and follow those issues. But for me, what is important is to rid our country of corruption. And I don't know what's that, Adebola or so. Whether you sympathize with people who are alleged to have been corrupt or you're opposed to them, what is my concern? What thing they bother me for this country? Now, how to make our country better for your children and my children. I want a situation where tomorrow, if somebody meet my son, say me they steal government money, he go say, we not go steal because those who steal, they still they prison. Or we not go steal because those who steal, the government go take the money back from them. We need monuments of reference and monuments of deterrence. Whether you sympathize with APC, PDP, or
anybody at all.
My first sympathy is with Nigeria. My second sympathy today is with my party. My third sympathy, I'm primarily strong. Now with my president.
Anyway,
I believe in my president.
Prof, they believe in our president because all of us believe in our own president as well. On this note, make we do it in. Make we enter for another quick break. When we come back, we go allow Prof address the whole matter where people don't raise. They come.
Welcome back to Asile Hot. From here where we stand so at the final bus stop on top of the program with the see Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and Professor Nwokobia Chris Chukwudi maybe aka Mustafa the inside studio. We dey discuss EFCC, the war against corruption, the talk with former President Olusegun Obasanjo talk and waiting be the truth for inside the matter. We dey take your phone calls, they sample everything when you get to talk about this particular discussion and everybody talk they lead to one particular direction. We must pursue corruption come for inside this our country, whether toothless or whether teeth full the mouth of the dog. Prof, in this particular direction, when I want to carry this particular talk go now, make we just try see wetin go come out from all of this particular work when we say EFCC they do. Now you've been talking about say make we look 2 years under Nuhu Ribadu, just as a matter of say we want check am. We can't use 9 months. Whether we like them or not, 9 months go still reach 2 years. And if we can't check them, what will be the direction when we say with the way when EFCC they go, what thing go be most likely the conviction rate? Because some people don't talk say we don't get faith in anything when government get to do until we see them. Not be the first time when we say person go come out and say we want fight corruption.
Make I tell you, it get what we don't grow up with for this country and all over the world. They say the way person wake up for sleep, you go know how you take one waka. The way person takes start dance, you go know where the dance they go.
That's true.
You know, between the past 16 years, we don't get certain EFCC chairmen. We know say Ribadu better pass the other ones before Magu. Because we see the way Ribadu takes, because the example would they do this thing now. We see the way Ribadu takes start in dance. As Magu takes start the own dance, it is obvious. Say Magu go outperform, do better than Ribadu. That's point number one. Then point number two, as it goes so for our country, when everybody they fear waiting they happen, they wish say this battle will continue and we will get conviction. The societal pressure Because oftentimes we dey overlook them. Government, they perform as well as the support base. Government, if the people continue to say, forget this fight, government will lose the strength.
Very true.
That is why we have always said that the civil society must work together with government to make success.
Very true.
The opposition must help government succeed.
Make we collect this call from Sam all the way from Kaduna too far. Make it not be like say we dey offend Governor Nasir El-Rufai. Okay, Sam, good morning and welcome to Ask the Hot.
Good morning, how are you?
We're fine. Good morning.
I want talk with the prof. Not to say what the prof they talk me, I don't like. I like what the prof they talk.
Okay.
I enjoy prof. But compared to fighting this corruption, on one side, where somebody calls it the corruption is on one side, people like Amechi, we know what he did and how he looked at the money to sponsor APC. And he's in the government. Is it not corruption? But that's my own control. Let Prof give me a good answer from that.
Okay, Sam, thank you very much for that question. Sam. Prof, over to you.
I talked about Fashola, and my answer about Fashola is the same answer about Amechi. Amechi has not been convicted by any court of law. Amechi is not standing trial anywhere. And as me and you they talk, Amechi is a man who is in government today based on the fact that there is no charge of corruption on him, no conviction. The truth is, and I stand by that truth, that in the fight against corruption, ultimately, I have told people repeatedly that a war against corruption is like a Frankenstein. It will go round, ultimately. But what we need to do today is entrench it on our collective canvas. Entrench it in our nation. Today, if people been tell Uche Secondos, say go day detention for 8 days, you're not going to believe.
You're not going to believe.
If person been tell Olise Metu, see how it go be, you're not going to believe.
At all.
Now, the same way, for anybody when they in charge of public money today, make we support the fight today so that tomorrow, if you have fundamental issues against Fashola, against Amechi, when they come out for government, the structure will continue to run. I have said that what we need is not Superman, strong institutions. Support the police, support the EFCC, support the ICPC, ensure that patriotism becomes the fundamentals. Because our President Buhari not going to live forever.
Yes.
He's helping us build a foundation that will check the system. And I think that what is important now for anybody who truly loves this country is to support the entrenchment of the war and the fight against corruption. Once that is done, if tomorrow you have facts and figures against anybody in government, you can invoke those facts and then ensure that the EFCC tomorrow or next tomorrow takes responsibility and charges these people to court. I think that that's what is important. And beyond that, we must realize that whether your sentiments are pro-PDP, pro-APC, pro-ABGA, our collective passion must first be love for our country. If we love Nigeria, we'll support the fight against corruption. If we love Nigeria, we'll pray for our leadership. If we love Nigeria, we will constructively criticize government. We will not do this kind of criticism when people go say, it's a witch hunt. If you not be winch, then go hunt you.
Very true.
If you not get skeleton for your cupboard, then go come look for you. So what is important is to support the fight against corruption by any means, by every fundamental practice, and ensure that we develop and make our country better.
Prof, don't finish talk on top of this matter. No need for us to go front. You don't already talk them down. Say if we want to make this country change and we want to fight corruption, now the work of you and everybody when they're inside this particular country. We thank you, say you carry time, come spend time with us to come discuss this particular issue when we say a very important issue. And we hope, say, when we extend the invitation to you again, you go come. But that time, you go come in a bigger office by the special grace of the Almighty God. I don't go spiritual because we need spiritual backing for this particular one. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. We thank you now well. All those when call us, those when try call, when it no enter. Those when be say we know if we take the calls because of say we get prof and we need plenty time to discuss this particular issue. We appreciate all of you now. Now Wazobia TV, now I see the odds. Now bye bye.
Now bye bye.
I know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.